children, today I am going to take a new topic in 4th standard science subject, term 2, in lesson 2, water. Water is important to our life. Okay. Water is precious resource on the earth. Water is very important of the human body. The human body, it consists of 75% of water. In human body, it consists of 75% of water. Before the topic, I discuss about 3 states of matter. Already you know children, what are the 3 states of matter? In states of matter, solid, liquid and gaseous state. What are the 3 states of matter? Solid, liquid and gaseous state. Let us see about the 3 states. 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Every substance on earth can exist as a solid, as a liquid or as a gaseous state. The difference between them is in the way of the particles move. For example, water. Next, properties of solids. Solids have the following characteristic properties. The first one, solids have a fixed shape and a fixed volume. First point, the solids have a fixed shape and a fixed volume. Solids cannot be compressed. Sponge is an exception. Solids cannot be compressed. Third point, solids have high densities. They are heavy. Fourth point, solids lack the diffusion capacity. Then fifth point, solids do not flow. Solids do not flow. Then sixth point, solids do not fill their container completely. Then sixth point, solids do not fill their container completely. Next, properties of liquids. Liquids have a fixed volume but not a fixed shape. Liquids have a fixed volume but not a fixed shape. Liquids cannot be compressed much. Second point, liquids cannot be compressed much. Then third point, liquids have moderate densities. They are generally less denser than solids. Then fourth point, liquids have diffusion capacity. Then fifth point, liquids do not fill their container completely. Then sixth point, liquids generally flow easily. Liquids generally flow easily. The next properties of gaseous state. Gases have neither a fixed volume nor a fixed shape. Gases can be compressed easily. Gases can be compressed easily. Then gases have very low densities. They are very light. Then fourth point, gases have very high diffusion capacity. Then fifth point, gases fill their container fully. Then sixth point, gases flow very easily. Next, let us see about the water. Water is importance of the human bodies. Water is the most abundant and precious resource on the earth. It is found in oceans, seas, rivers, streams, lakes, ponds, and even underground. All living things need water to live and to do many their other activities. Why water is so important? Because it is the basis of all forms of life, and without this valuable resource the earth would not exist. The daily life itself and conduct of the simplest actions require the use of water. Just think of the use made of it in the field of agriculture and industry. Sources of water. Water is found in oceans, seas, rivers, streams, lakes, ponds, and even under the ground. These are the sources of waters. The main source of water is rain. The water resources that are so useful are potentially to the humans. Uses of water include agricultural, industrial, household, recreational, and environmental activities. In 97% is salt water, 3% of water is fresh water. In fresh water is a renewable resource, but fresh water is decreasing. Water is an important resource. People use water for drinking, farming, cooking, cleaning, etc. Okay students, today's topic water. In water, the form of 3 states of water: solid, liquid and gaseous state, and then properties of 3 states, and then sources of water. I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening students.